Hello Jim Tech Buzz, 2 new products in today from HiFiMan, so we're going to unbox both together at the same time, give you a look at them first and go over quickly what they're all about, and have 2 separate reviews as always, hands on here on Tech Buzz Ireland. So we're going to start with the headphones first, and they literally just arrived, so we're going to take off the bubble wrap. They're packed nicely, which is pretty cool, so they don't get damaged because they are not cheap headphones. So on the box, you've Hi-Fi stereo headphone, stealth magnets design, Bluetooth R2R dongle inside, which is excellent. On the back, we have got operating principles open back, frequency response, impedance sensitivity, transmission, Bluetooth USB. Your codecs there, they've got aptX, HD aptX, LDAC, AAC and SBC, built-in mic. 8 hours, so pretty good. And that's pretty much it on the outside of the box. So let's get inside and have a look and see what they look like in person. So when you open up, you will get your little dongle booklet there, your HiFiMan product. Gives you some information there, so I want to pause that if you want to have a look and read that. Your Hi-Fi limited warranty, your Deva Pro owner's guide, and you get your cable here, USB-C, USB-A. Right, this is the Bluetooth dongle. This is cool. So you can see there, you've got your connections. You've got a button, you have a USB-C port, and that's how it clips in there. That's pretty cool, I must say. Haven't seen one of those before yet with a pair of headphones. And here is the big boy here, with your bigger adapter here and so on. So that's it, and you can see it's decent cable too, it's not a cheap cable. And that's pretty much what it looks like there. I think that's it. But look at that for packaging. Super thick foam and excellent presentation, which is pretty cool. So let's have a look at these headphones. My god, these are big boys. So they look cool. To get that out of the way, you've got Deva Pro here, it's metal here, and you've got super large cups there. You can see, as I said, the closed backs. They do twist a little bit there, they move in and out here. And of course, you've got a ratchet style extension on both sides, but it's not plastic, and you've a nice comfortable headband as well. And you can just see how deep those cups are there. I'm going to quickly put them on the head there. Really, really comfortable, you don't clamp the head. And you'll put this guy on here, like so, and that's how you will connect through Bluetooth, which is probably the way I'll go. You can see the LED there, and you can hear the power on, so that's pretty cool. So you can see they work fine. But of course you can test. I'm going to quickly test them here through a home system and all that I have here, but preferably I just listen to Bluetooth headphones. But having said that, we've recently done some headphones similar to this, which are just wired and the same setup there without the Bluetooth, and I use that to listen to my stereo, my movie system here, which is good, which you can plug in. Look at the design here, the screws here on the outside as well. Really, really cool. So that's basically how they work and what they look like. So next up, we're going to have a look at the TWS. So as you can see, you've got two options. You've got your wired and you've got your Bluetooth, which is good, and that's pretty fine. You've got your LDAC, aptX, HD, Qualcomm, and your aptX and AAC and SBC, and of course your wired connection. So you can use them in both ways, which I think is excellent. Something you don't see, I haven't seen anyway, personally, coming through here. And that's basically that for now on them. So next up, we're going to have a look at the TWS 800. And again, we have got plastic on them here. So we're going to check these out and see what these look like. So that's the package there. HiFiMan TWS 800, amazing sound quality and Bluetooth, and only with HiFiMan topology diaphragm on the side and on the back. So you've got your display, power display here, which will differ per device. Ergonomic design, contour perfect fit, IP4 rated, sweat and dirt resistant. Top quality sound, hi-fi tracks experience, voice assistant support for most phones. And that's pretty much it there. So with these, you've got a built-in amp, you have a nanotech coating, you've got audiophile tuning, Bluetooth 5.0, low latency, IPX4, 31.5 hours battery and passive noise cancelling. So let's check these out and see what these look like in the flesh. And we've got one more down here. Oh wow, look at those. So straight away you've got a metal case, which is excellent. You've your USB-C port on the back, and it's a very soft opening and a strong closing magnet there too. Oh, look at that case there, pretty excellent, and it'll fit in your hand. So just to give you a kind of idea, we'll take these out and look at them in a moment. What else do we get inside? So we get a little bag to keep the case in and so on, to keep them out of harm's way if you're travelling, which is handy. Your USB-C, USB-A cable, and a bag full of extra tips and so on. So you're covered straight away there with all of the goods that you get inside. These are cool, and they are quite different to what we've had. We've had a smaller earbud like this, but it was plastic. This isn't plastic. And you can just see the shape and design there. We'll get them up a little bit closer. You can have a look there. It's all shiny and reflective, as you can see. You probably see me in the back there. So I'm just going to pop these into the case. Is there anything covering? So there you can see an LED light come on in the middle, and you have 4 LEDs, and you can see the LEDs up on the actual headphone itself there, or the earbud there. Pretty cool. That case isn't going to open. They're a bit jiggly, but it's not too bad. But I love this case, it's quite different. It's kind of a pillow shape, but really cool and real soft open, and it's got a solid close. Once that's closed, it's not going to open on you, and that's basically it there. And I love these earbuds, they look really cool. So you can see our connection points there on the inside, and if you look up here, you can see in there you've got your LEDs, and that's basically it. So any questions on both of these products from HiFiMan, be it the headphones or the earbuds, of course feel free to drop them below while we test them out over the next couple of weeks. And if you have any questions, yeah, just drop them below, or get us on Twitter, or of course below in the comment section on the YouTube there. And we'll have a full hands-on review pretty soon on techbuzzworld.com, and we'll have 2 separate reviews on products here, so we'll keep them separate. So thanks for watching, and thanks to HiFiMan for sending these over. They didn't pay us any money, have any inputs or anything like that, and our thoughts and views are our own, as they always are. And be sure to stay tuned for both products. And if you have any questions, of course, once more, drop them below and we'll gladly give you some answers. All questions are always answered on techbuzzworld.com and on our YouTube channel. See you shortly.